This is a Max Lens mod for the GoPro Hero 10, so it should, when you go around the corners, I should be able to lean over left and right much further and things should stay stable. That's the aim of it anyway. What I was supposed to be doing today, I was supposed to be recording the sales video for my bike, so I got this in readiness. So that's what I'm going to be trying on now. I'm going to get this hooked up, get it fitted on the camera, get it mounted on the bike somewhere, go and do a few twisties, see what we can come up with. It's a bit posh, this. You can get a specialist cleaning cloth with it. I'm not so sure that's going to get too many flies off mine, but we'll see how it goes. Look at this. It's a bit special. Don't know which way around it goes. So they've got... Oh, there we go. Right, let's get it fitted, see if it makes a difference. Alright, so Future Rich here. I found a bit of an anomaly with the Max Lens mod, where I'd kind of hoped that you'd be able to set the horizon and mount the camera in any angle. It's not quite true. So when you turn the camera on, if you've got the camera mounted horizontally, Max Lens mod will stay horizontal. So look, I've got you now on a selfie stick in front of the mirror, and if I turn you, then you stay horizontal. Yet if I start you off vertical and then twist, you can see that you actually stay vertical. So of course, first time I'd used it there out in Falmouth, I didn't know this, did I? So I mounted the camera to the bike in vertical, thinking, oh, it'll level it up perfectly. I'll be able to go zooming through the lanes and it'll all look perfect. No. There we go, so that's my top tip for mounting the GoPro Max Lens mod. Just make sure you get the right orientation before you set off, and then you'll be fine, unlike me. Anyway, that's it for now. So thank you very much for watching. My name's Rich and this is It's Adventure. Oh, don't forget, if you like what you see, click on that subscribe button down there and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks, bye.